In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make typographic portrait in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to craft a clean, high-contrast portrait made entirely from repeated words and phrases, using one clear prompt and a couple of simple actions. First, think about your subject and the mood you want to convey. A typographic portrait works best when the repeated text meaningfully relates to the person or theme. Plan a short list of keywords, nicknames, and places associated with your subject. Keep the phrases concise so they remain legible when they form facial contours. Now, in the message box, write a single, descriptive prompt. Be explicit about the pose and composition. For example, specify a side profile facing left, and ask that the entire image, hair, facial features, and shading, be formed solely from repeating text. Call out the style of lettering. Elegant, curvy white calligraphy usually reads cleanly on darker backgrounds. To help the model place the text correctly, say that the words should follow the natural contours of the face. For a striking look, request a deep, dark green background and high contrast in a vector art style. If you want extra crisp detail, you can ask for high resolution, such as 8K, while also specifying a square canvas like 1080 by 1080 for easy sharing. If the app supports it, you can mention an aspect ratio. Otherwise, a square size is a safe default. Include your customized list of words in brackets or quotes, and note that they should repeat and vary in size to define highlights and shadows. Keeping the lettering white helps maintain strong contrast on a dark background, but you can adjust later if needed. Avoid overly long phrases. Short, punchy terms wrap around curves more naturally. When your prompt reads clearly from top to bottom, press Enter to submit. If you don't see an immediate preview, that's normal. Generative graphics can take a bit longer, especially with detailed vector-like results and dense lettering. Give it time to process. While you wait, resist the urge to resend the same prompt repeatedly. That can slow things down. Once the image appears, check legibility at full and zoomed-in views. If the words clump or the face loses definition, refine your prompt by asking for tighter spacing control, more contrast, or slightly larger text sizes in shadowed areas. You can also swap in clearer, shorter keywords for smoother curves. That's it. One thoughtful prompt, a quick submit, and a little patience for a polished typographic portrait in the Google Gemini Windows app.